The shadowing method that makes you fluent faster. If speaking English feels difficult, heavy, or confusing, today you will experience a method that can change everything. It's called shadowing, one of the simplest and most effective ways to speak English naturally without thinking about grammar. Shadowing trains your mind, your ears, and your voice at the same time. You listen to a sentence, you repeat it immediately, and your brain learns the rhythm, the sound, and the flow of natural English. No rules, no memorization, no pressure, just gentle repetition. In this lesson, I'll speak slowly and clearly, and you will repeat after me in a calm, steady rhythm. By the end, you will feel more confident, more fluent, and more connected to English than ever before. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. What shadowing really is. Shadowing is the practice of listening to English and repeating it instantly. It helps you train your mouth to move automatically without thinking too much. When you shadow a sentence, you connect your voice directly to what you hear. Your brain doesn't stop to translate or check grammar. It simply follows the sound. This creates natural fluency because your mind learns the rhythm and tone of real English. Let's begin with simple lines. Repeat after me. I am here. Pause. I am learning. Pause. I feel calm. Shadowing starts with small steps, but each step builds confidence. Building the habit of simple thoughts. Your fluency grows when your thoughts become simple and direct. Shadowing helps you turn those simple thoughts into natural English. When you practice short, everyday lines, your brain begins forming quick English reactions. Repeat after me. I am awake. Pause. I am ready. Pause. I want to improve. Pause. I feel focused. Pause. These lines create the mental space for your English to flow. Shadowing these soft thoughts every day builds your foundation for smooth speaking. Shadowing daily actions. Now let's train your voice with sentences about daily actions. These are easy, common, and instantly useful in real conversations. Repeat after me slowly. I eat breakfast. Pause. I go to work. Pause. I study English. Pause. I listen carefully. Pause. I learn something new today. When you connect simple actions with English, you teach your brain to think in English naturally. Adding emotion to your English. Emotion is what makes your speech sound alive. Shadowing emotional lines helps your English feel natural, warm, and expressive. Repeat after me. I feel happy today. I feel a little tired. I feel excited to learn. I feel more confident now. I feel proud of myself. Expressing emotions helps you speak with more meaning and clarity. Shadowing real daily life sentences. Talking about your day is one of the best ways to become fluent. Shadow these daily lifelines with a soft voice. Repeat after me. I wake up early. Pause. I drink my coffee. Pause. I start my day slowly. Pause. I talk to people. Pause. I end my day calmly. These familiar moments train your mind to create English reactions instantly. Shadowing the language of the future. Talking about the future doesn't require grammar, just confidence. Repeat after me. I will try my best. Pause. I will speak more this week. Pause. I will use English daily. Pause. I will become more confident. Pause. I will keep going. These lines shape a strong mindset and train your voice for natural speaking. Shadowing powerful self-confidence sentences. Your confidence affects your fluency more than grammar ever will. Shadowing positive self-talk rewires your mind for success. Repeat after me. I can do this. Pause. I am improving. Pause. I am getting better every day. Pause. I am not afraid of mistakes. Pause. I trust my journey. This builds emotional strength in your English voice. Shadowing descriptions of people. Describing people is important in daily conversations. Repeat after me. He is friendly. Pause. She is kind. Pause. They are helpful. Pause. He works hard. Pause. She speaks clearly. Pause. Shadowing descriptions helps you talk about real people confidently. Shadowing descriptions of places. Now let's describe places around you. Repeat after me. My home is quiet. Pause. The street is busy. Pause. The weather is nice. Pause. The park is peaceful. Pause. My city feels alive. These sentences help your English sound natural and descriptive. Shadowing. Common everyday expressions. These expressions are important for smooth conversation flow. Repeat after me. How are you? Pause. I'm doing well. Pause. That sounds good. Pause. I understand. Pause. Thank you so much. Shadowing these lines helps you respond naturally in any situation. Shadowing work and study lines. Let's practice useful lines for work or study settings. Repeat after me. I need a moment. I understand this part. I will finish it soon. Let's continue. I appreciate your help. These clear, calm lines build professional confidence. Shadowing easy conversation starters. Conversation starters help you connect with anyone. Repeat after me. Can I ask something? Pause. What do you think? Pause. Can you explain that? Pause. That's interesting. Pause. Tell me more. These open sentences create smooth dialogue. Shadowing friendly phrases. Friendly English makes your conversations warm and relaxed. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. Pause. Have a great day. Pause. Take care. Pause. See you soon. Pause. I hope you're doing well. This gives your voice a friendly tone. Shadowing clear requests. Requests are essential in daily life. Repeat after me. Can you help me? Please say that again. Speak slowly, please. I need time. I understand now. Practicing these builds communication confidence. Let's close with soft, strong, empowering lines. Repeat after me. I am learning. Pause. I am improving. Pause. I speak more clearly now. Pause. I feel more confident. Pause. I am becoming fluent. Pause. These final lines lock the rhythm of English into your voice. You did amazing work today. Shadowing is one of the strongest ways to build fluency, and your voice will grow more confident each time you practice. Use these sentences daily, stay calm, and let English flow naturally. Thank you for learning with FluentX. Learn English fast and simple. I'll see you in the next lesson.